Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to update. Start now. First, make sure your Series S is plugged into a reliable power source and connected to the internet, Wi-Fi, or Ethernet. Once done, sign into your Microsoft account so cloud saves are available. This prevents data loss. Now navigate to Settings, then System, and select Updates. You'll see available system updates or controller updates listed. Begin the update process immediately to download files. Keep the console awake and avoid power interruptions. Once the update appears, press it to start the download. The system shows a percent and an estimate, so watch it. While downloading, make sure background downloads aren't throttled and that Instant On or energy settings allow updates. When the download finishes, the console will prepare and install. This can include multiple restarts. Do not unplug or force off the console. Interruptions can corrupt the update. If the install stalls, let it run at least 20 minutes before taking recovery actions. After installation and the final restart, verify the console version in System right arrow console info so you know the update succeeded. Make sure games and controllers reconnect. If something behaves oddly, perform a simple power cycle by holding the power button for 10 seconds and restarting. If the update fails repeatedly, you can perform an offline system update using a formatted USB drive and the Xbox support recovery file. This fixes corrupted installs. Keep a note of
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.